Hey everyone, and welcome back to Simple English Learning. Let's be honest, how many times have you checked your phone today? Social media is a huge part of our daily lives, whether we're scrolling through TikTok, posting a story on Instagram, or catching up on news on X. But how do you talk about it in English? In today's episode, we're going to make that super easy and fun. Join our friends David and Anne for a lively and natural conversation all about social media. They'll cover everything from their favorite apps and viral trends to the good and bad sides of being online. This is the perfect lesson to learn modern, useful vocabulary. Let's get into it.
Hey, Anne. What's got you smiling at your phone like that?
Oh, hey, David. I was just watching this hilarious cat video on Instagram Reels. It's amazing what you can find.
I know, right? The algorithm knows us too well. Are you more of an Instagram person?
Definitely. I'm a very visual person, so I love the photos, the stories, the aesthetics of it all. What about you?
I use Instagram, but I find myself scrolling through X, Twitter, a lot more.
Oh, really? I find X can be so negative sometimes.
It can be, but I follow a lot of journalists and experts in fields I'm interested in. It's how I get my news updates instantly.
That makes sense. For me, news comes from curated accounts on Instagram or from news apps directly.
So, besides Instagram, what other platforms are you on? Are you on TikTok?
Of course! Who isn't these days? It's my guilty pleasure. The short videos are so addictive.
Tell me about it. I downloaded it as a joke, and now I spend at least an hour on it before bed.
It's the endless scroll. You see one funny video and then another, and suddenly it's midnight.
Exactly. What kind of content do you usually watch on there?
I love the cooking hacks, the little day-in-the-life vlogs, and of course the dance challenges, even though I could never do them.
I'm more on the educational side of TikTok. I follow people who teach science concepts in 60 seconds or give financial advice.
Wow, that's so productive of you. My feed is mostly dogs and comedy sketches.
Hey, we all need a good laugh. I think that's one of the best things about social media.
What, laughing at cat videos?
Well, yes, but also the ability to connect with people who share your niche interests.
That's so true. I joined a few groups on Facebook for my gardening hobby, and the community is amazing.
See, it's not all bad. It's great for staying connected with friends who live far away, too.
Absolutely. I love seeing updates from my cousins overseas. It makes the world feel a little smaller.
But there's a downside, too, isn't there?
Oh, for sure. The pressure to present a perfect life is intense.
The highlight reel effect. Everyone posts their vacations and achievements, but nobody posts their bad days.
Exactly. It can make you feel like your own life isn't good enough if you're not careful.
I agree. And I sometimes worry about how much information we're sharing online.
Privacy is a huge concern. You have to be so careful with your settings.
And what about the impact on mental health? All that comparison and the fear of missing out, or FOMO.
It's a real thing. Sometimes I have to take a digital detox. Just delete the apps for a weekend to clear my head.
That's a great idea. I should probably do that more often. I get so distracted.
It's designed to be distracting. That's how they keep you on the platform.
So true. Have you noticed how every platform is becoming the same now?
What do you mean?
Well, Instagram has Reels to compete with TikTok, YouTube has Shorts, Facebook has Stories.
You're right. They're all just copying each other's most addictive features.
It's a battle for our attention.
And our attention is the product they're selling to advertisers.
It's a bit scary when you think about it that way.
It is, but on a lighter note, have you seen that new viral filter on TikTok? The one that makes you look like a cartoon character?
No, I haven't. I'm always late to the trends.
We have to try it later. It's so funny.
Okay, deal. Do you use any other platforms like LinkedIn?
Yes, I have a LinkedIn profile, but I only check it when I'm looking for a job or want to connect with someone professionally.
I find it quite useful for industry news and articles. It feels like the adult social media.
That's the perfect way to describe it. It's all business suits and job promotions.
And what about something like Pinterest?
Oh, I love Pinterest. I use it for home decor ideas, recipes, and travel inspiration. It's my visual planning board.
I've never really gotten into it. It seems like a lot of work.
It's not work, it's fun. It's like a digital scrapbook. You should try it for your photography ideas.
Maybe I will. You've almost convinced me.
So, what's the best thing you've learned or discovered through social media recently?
I actually learned how to fix a leaky faucet from a YouTube short. It saved me from calling a plumber.
See, it can be incredibly useful. I learned a fantastic recipe for pasta from a TikTok video last week.
It really is a double-edged sword, isn't it?
Completely. It offers connection, entertainment, and knowledge.
But it also comes with addiction, comparison, and privacy risks.
The key is to be mindful of how you use it, I guess.
Conscious consumption, not just endless scrolling.
Exactly. Set timers, follow accounts that make you feel good, and remember that it's not real life.
Well said. Do you ever worry about falling for fake news?
All the time. You have to be so critical of the source. It's too easy for misinformation to spread like wildfire.
Especially on platforms like Facebook and X, a single share can reach thousands in minutes.
That's why fact-checking is more important than ever. I try not to share anything unless I'm sure it's from a reputable source.
That's a good rule to live by.
So, if you had to delete all social media apps but one, which one would you keep?
Ooh, that's a tough question. I think I'd keep X for the news and real-time updates.
Really? I would 100% keep Instagram. I need my visual inspiration.
It's interesting how we use them for such different purposes.
It shows how diverse the platforms are, even when they're trying to be the same.
What do you think is the next big thing in social media?
I'm not sure. Maybe something more focused on authentic, real-time connections like Be Real tried to do?
I could see that. People are getting tired of the overly polished content.
A return to authenticity would be nice, less performance, more reality.
We can only hope.
In the meantime, I still have about 50 funny dog videos saved that I need to watch.
And I have a dozen articles about space exploration bookmarked on X.
To each their own algorithm.
Well, this has been a more interesting conversation than just staring at our phones.
I agree. It's good to actually talk about these things instead of just passively consuming them.
How about we put our phones away for the next hour and just enjoy our coffee?
Mini digital detox starting now. I love it.
Perfect. No checking notifications.
You have a deal. Unless you want me to show you that cat video later.
Okay, maybe we'll make one exception.
I thought so.